got the plugable 16-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 docking station. This is the unit here. In the back, you have 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, power in, Ethernet, USB, Thunderbolt charging port, 4 USB ports in the back, 10 gig and 2 5 gig. In the front, you have the power button, USB to USB-C, headphone jack, USB port, Thunderbolt Lightning, and SD card slot. You get the USB to USB-C Thunderbolt Lightning port. You get the user manual, good tech support. You get a nice charging block with grounded plug. Goes right there. This is the box that it comes in. Very good value for your money. Makes a great gift. And a good addition to your laptop and desktop docking accessories. Thank you.